Here's one morning drink that will rebuild muscles in seniors fast. Now, as we age, we start losing muscle mass and strength. By the time we reach our 60s and 70s, we can lose up to 50% of our muscle mass. But there's no need to accept this fate. In fact, there is a simple drink that can help you maintain your muscle mass and even build some new muscle. And all it takes is just one serving every day. This drink is a combination of 3 powerful ingredients. First, we have protein powder. This is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Second, we have Greek yogurt. This is another great source of protein and also contains probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. And third, we have healthy fats like omega-3 South or MCT oil. These fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Now, if you want to add some extra protein to this drink, you can use a scoop of cottage cheese or a spoonful of peanut butter. Just mix all these ingredients in a blender with some water and ice cubes and drink up. Remember, consistency is key, so make this drink part of your daily routine and watch your muscles start to recover and even grow back.